All right, boys, let's finish this rock lights, right? Because I really want to get the truck up to date, if you will. What's up, guys? Welcome to the vlog. Game Match. As always, if you're here for the first time, subscribe. Make sure to subscribe. Also, give me a thumbs up. Today, it's very simple, very easy. We're gonna finish the rock lights. I mean, when I say I'm finishing, you know how that goes, right? We might not, depends. What we need to do, we got the extension. If you're not following my Instagram, make sure to follow my Instagram, mattis.garage. Follow my Instagram, I post there that I got the extensions. So we are ready to install. And also the main part is figuring out what to do with the grill. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna put the truck here in the garage because it's chilly today. I mean, it's not cold, but it's chilly, you know what I'm saying? You know what I'm saying. Cold start. Over here is perfect because I can open the hood and also I can get underneath because there are some zip ties that I need to make sure, you know, that they are fine. When we're gonna work on the back, I'll just reverse the process and make sure, you know, we get everything ready to go. So first thing I'm gonna do, if you guys didn't see it, there's the zip ties here and here, and I wanna put that thing on the bottom so we got a good lighting going on. If I try the rock lights now, they might work or they might not. We'll see. Let's see if they work. There you go. So the pods are kind of towards there. See the wire, it's losing here, so I need to fix that. Over here looks pretty good to me. I don't know why the camera shows purple though, so bear with me, it's blue. And if you look at the underneath, you can see blue. If you turn off the lights, it's gonna be better. There you go. It's not bad, but I think it can be better. So we'll see how that is gonna look like when, you know, we're done. So the first thing you need to do, let's get the bumper out, boys. So you guys know how is the process to, you know, remove the bumper. We've done this a bunch of times. Just remember, because I have the light bar, we need to remove the light bar. I'm just gonna try just to pull a little bit forward. So in that way, it's gonna be, I don't need to remove the entire bumper. There are 3 bolts in each side. I still need to face those. For the top of the grill, it's a T15. So that's it, let's get the job done. Easy piece, not really, but hey, we gotta do what we gotta do if we wanna our trucks to look nice, right? I didn't remove it completely, but I kind of did. If you know what I'm saying. It's just easier this way. I'll tell you though, with the truck lifted and having the right tools, by the time I did the light bar, I didn't have the right tools. I'm just realizing how hard it was. And the truck was in the stock height, so it was really hard to get to those bolts here. You have 3, see 1, 2, 3. It was really hard to get to those bolts. With the truck lifted, it's so much easier because you got so much room here. So basically, you have 3 7mm here. I'm just gonna run through. If you didn't watch the video when I installed the light bar, make sure to watch it. I removed the bumper a couple of times also when I put the new grill. But it just, you know, a lot of new people watching the channel, so I just want to make sure, you know, I give you the right information. 3 7mm in each side, and over here you have 2, 1 each side, 10mm, which is this one here. And if you have extension, it's so much easier. So you guys gonna see when I put back. I'll make sure that I record it. But we got ourselves like room. That's where I need to reach. You see here all the wire for the rock light. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna cut those and see where we can mount. Since I'm here, I'm gonna kind of clean a little bit Just make sure, you know, looks nice. And I think we got a place to put it there though, which is pretty awesome. So let's see it. I wasted a little bit of time trying to figure it out. I was going to put like towards up like this, but the rock lights, they don't reflect as well if they are like this. You know what I'm saying? And the only way we can do that work, see there's this plastic piece here. I can either, I have to make a hole though. I'll put one here, like this. Of course I'm gonna fix the cables and everything else. And the other one on the other side. Since this is a plastic piece, I can make 2 holes here and use the screws instead of zip ties, which I think is gonna be so much better. I'll give it a try. I mean, it's just plastic, whatever. I'm not too concerned about it. So if it doesn't look good, nobody's gonna see anyway. But I think it's gonna look great. And I'm gonna use the bolts that comes with the kit, you see? And I'll try. So I'm gonna test and then I will show you guys. Just to make sure, you know, it's looking the way I want to look. Alright, let's test. Remember, there's only one there, right? Yes, baby. That's what we need. And I'm gonna do the same with the actually I love it though. Let me change the color. There you go. See, it's right on the Chevrolet. It's gonna look great. Great, 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 great. Love it. You know what? Sometimes I'm kind of crazy to drill holes in my truck, but sometimes it works. This time worked a lot. So let me show you exactly what I did. Basically, there's this plastic thing here. And what I did, I drill 1 hole. I don't need to drill 2 because 1, it's enough. You see here, from the top, that is the bolt. That's how the pod's gonna sit. Of course, I'm gonna, you know, fix the cables and all the good stuff. But that's for now. I'm gonna do the same thing for the other side and we should be good to go. Here is the final thing, right? Here's the pod and here's all the cable management that I did. So it's going through there. The other side I had to put 2 bolts because there's something behind here. But yeah, here's the cables that I did a little bit of a thing. So that's how, you know, I put like tape in there and here goes through the battery. Now I like it. What do you guys think? The bumper. Look, not the bumper, the grill. Yeah, if you look from the back, but if you look from here, look. You know what I'm saying? Depends where you're looking from. So if you look like straight, that's how it's gonna look like. When I put outside, we're gonna see better. But let's say red. Let's say green. What do you guys think? This is crazy, right? I know, it's a lot, but yeah, who cares? I love it. But I need to attach all the bolts and stuff. Here's the main part of today's video actually. But I really need to get the grill fixed though, because I mean it's horrible. I just feel bad. I also gonna need to fix the antenna. I bought the part already, so should be here anytime soon. Here are the extensions though, so very straightforward, plug and play. My only advice for you is if you get any rock lights, and I spoke with some people, they didn't get the same one I did, but they got some. Get extensions because it's not enough length between the front of the truck and the back of the truck. And if you guys remember, the pod is there, so I probably needed to lose like 4 bolts and just connect, and that's it, right? Here's the pod itself that I left before on that day. So now we're just gonna plug and we're gonna connect the connection. See, there's a connection here. Boom. Once it connect there we go. We're just gonna repeat the process for the other side and we should be done. I just got more boxes and they are heavy. Those are the brakes for the Corvette. How sick that's gonna look. So it's gonna look way better, way better. So it's one more upgrade for the Vette since my rotors are really in bad shape. The rock lights are finally done, completely done, 100%. You know, all the wires attached to the truck. So let me put the truck outside so we can take a better look. The final result for the rock lights. What do you guys think? Huh? Let's look at the front. That's the front though. I know on the lights, like over here, looks super bright, but in person, there you go. That's how more or less look in person. So I'm gonna change a couple colors here so you guys can have a better idea, because it looks pink though to me. In the camera it looks pink, but in reality it doesn't. There you go. What do you guys think? This thing is sick. And you can customize. I showed you guys that before, right? There we go. So you have so many colors though. Yeah, this one, I like this one too. Finally complete. I'm so happy with it. Remove the bumper and fix the rock lights. Let's make sure. Done. Yeah guys, that's gonna do for today's upload. I hope you guys enjoy it. Couple of tips if you're doing it by yourself. Remove the bumper if you're gonna put something on the grill. Also get an extension. It's really worth to have extension. Make your job so much easier. Don't need to go back. And get a lot of zip ties. Those are my tips. I know it took like me 2 videos to complete the job, but I had to wait for the extension. So here's my tip: get the extensions. I love this thing. I cannot wait to drive around with it. And that's my favorite color though. It's blue. I know in the camera it's showing pink, but it's blue. So I hope you guys enjoy. Give me a thumbs up if you like this upload, and I'll see you guys next upload. As always, enjoy your life and work hard for it.